Your friend.
My good friend.
Very good.
Yes. I'm not giving you essays for homework, but I want you to finish the sentences. Okay? Your tenses are very, very bad.
Like.
That didn't require an answer. That didn't require an answer. Okay. Don't worry about it. Put your books in your bag. Kaypoh. Why ping you lah? Bề sai meh? Thank you. Now mùi hoa này chế cho mẹ. Kaypoh à? You didn't bring your water?
Uh-oh.
Soon I should go home, go and drink. Oh.
You gave Sean a bag, right?
Yeah. Remember I showed you the bag? I asked you first, you didn't want. You said you have this bag. If not, how do you know at that? If I didn't show you? I asked you first. Monday, it's been here for some time already. Monday when you came for Bahasa class, I showed you. Then you showed me your bag. You said you have a lot of bags. You already have this bag, so I just let it be lah. I'm not going to beg you to take it, am I?
You gave Sean, you know Sean what? You know Sean did what? Take the bag, though.
Oh, likes it so much. Standard 1, they don't have much books to take also. Few books only.
I don't know why Standard 4 a lot of books, then Standard 1 only little bit only. They got draw.
Because they cannot carry.
They got locker one.
We didn't have. Now you learn how to use the word and be good. Ivy. Poison ivy?
What is poison ivy?
Go home and search.
Poison ivy.
Come here. Water tank repair on level 15 and rooftop. Block A and Block B. Level 15.
You are 13, right?
You are 4. I'm going to 14.
13 is your mother's house.
My mom is sleeping already.
Your mother 86.
80.
Wow, so older than my grandmother. My grandmother 70.
Yeah, your parents are younger than me. I'm older than your parents. Okay, good night. Go and drink water, huh?
Okay.
If he wants to be good, he can. Yeah. He just likes to push my buttons, and when I shout at him, then he acts all shocked. I hate to shout at them. And this shout is not just shout, it's like with blue and pink, I shout as well, but they know I'm not serious. But with him and Sean, I have to really shout. Anger, out of anger, which I don't like. Hi. No sign of her. I forgot to switch on the light. I'm tired. Stop.